How to use filters on Snapchat. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can use filters on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to use filters on Snapchat, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch Snapchat. When you open Snapchat and you want to take a snap, this is the plain interface without any filters. But if you want to use filters, you can simply swipe through all of these filters that you would be able to find over here. So depending upon which filter it is that you might want here, you can select that. If you want to search for a filter, you can tap on the search bar over here. Then you can, after tapping the search bar, you can simply search for a custom filter to search and then use that filter accordingly. This way you can use filters on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.